useState is a built-in hook that can be used in React and is one of the most important React hooks. It allows us to track state and functional components, which is important as it allows us to display updated values when the value of the variable changes. The useState function has one parameter, which is the initial value, and this returns two values that can be accessed by deconstructing the returned value in an array. The first item is called the reactive value. We use this in the UI to display the current state. The second item is the setter. We use this function to change the value stored, and then the page is re-rendered so the user can see the changes. I want to keep track of the value of a number and be able to increase the value of this number. In this example, I need to create a button and a text field. The text field will show the current number and the button will let us double that number and display changes to the UI. In your React app file, first import useState from React. Then create the React hook by creating an array containing the reactive value variable as number and the setter function as setNumber. Then pass in 1 into the React useState hook to set this as the initial value. In the UI, create a button with the text value double and a ptext tag which shows the value of the number. Then set the onClick action to be a function with setNumber. Inside of setNumber, we can use a callback function to get the previous value of the variable. In this case, I'll call this value p. Now I can use this callback function and add p times 2. This doubles the value of p. Finally, I'm importing some styles to make this a little bigger to see, but obviously this isn't necessary and doesn't affect how useState works. Now if I press the button, the value doubles.